morning everybody, this is Kathy from Cats Out Create, and today I am coming on with a video in regards to how I make my bag toppers. Yes, actually at first when I first started, my bag toppers were not nice. They still aren't, but I try a little bit. So anyways, on my giveaway challenge, I requested that I get either die cut bag toppers for additional points, or if you want to make your own, that's fine as well. Anyways, so I wanted to share with you what I decided to make. These are basically die cuts that I received from a giveaway, and what I decided to do with some of these is make them into bag toppers, such as these right here. So all I have to do is fold them in half, and there you go, you have your bag topper. So all of these, oh, and this, I didn't even know I had this in here. Wow, awesome. So all you have to do is fold them in half, and they are bag toppers. So if you have a die that's like a rectangle, a square, or even an oval shape, you can actually fold that in half and use that as a bag topper. So how I was making my bag toppers, and how I'm still making some of my bag toppers, are using my scissors. I have a whole bunch of these scissors. This is the cut to it. I have a whole bunch of these scissors that I purchased a long time ago. I think it was before die cuts had even started. I want to say I've had these scissors for at least, wow, at least over 10, maybe 15 years. I had a lot more which I gave away because yeah, I had a lot, and at that time I had wanted to start scrapbooking, and you know, I was working then and I just didn't have the time. But I had so many scissors that like I said, I gave some away. I try to keep the ones that I like the most, and just wanted to show you these right here are leftover scraps from other projects that I've worked with, and some of them I've already measured, and they're actually the perfect cut. They're either a 6, let me go ahead and measure it here. I do apologize, I'm still trying to get over whatever cold I ended up getting. So these are 6 by 3. They're all different sizes, they're not exact, and like I said, these are leftovers. I didn't plan on these are 6. I didn't plan on making this video until recently. I was like, well, I'll make it a little bit. This is a little a little over 2. This is also a 6.5 by 2.5. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I basically do it. I usually this is a little, the edge, I'm gonna cut it off. So I'm gonna, like I said, I'm trying to finish my sentences and I can't concentrate. This, I don't know, I guess I got a cold this weekend or this week, and it's just not nice when you get a cold all of a sudden. You weren't even expecting it, and you just, you know, can't function sometimes. So I went ahead, cut off the edge. What I'm gonna do right here is I'm gonna go ahead and fold it in half. Might not be a perfect half. I went ahead and folded it in half, and all I have to do now is just, if you have scissors, that's fine, go ahead and do it with your scissors. I'm going ahead and cut it off, and there you go. I don't know if you could see that right there. Let me go ahead and bring this in so you could see. So there you go, I have an edge for my bag topper. You could do the other side if you like. If not, you could leave it alone as is. Okay, so that's one. That's for your scissors. If you have edge scissors, you could use that. Or if you have a punch, edge punch, you could use that too. And all you have to do is how I do it. I align it on the bag, and there you go, and punch. And then I align it again from that edge. I know, there you go, and then I align it here again. I know some punches you can't do that because it's a different design, but this is how I do it with this one right here. So there you go. Take out any excess. Okay, now you go ahead and fold it in half, and there you go. So you have your bag toppers right there. This is so easy and simple and so fast. It doesn't take a lot of time. It's just really simple, like I said. Now for these long strips, all you have to do is just measure to a 6/8, and these bag toppers are gonna go on here. For the bag toppers, like I said, you go like this, and there you go. It's almost a perfect fit. It's a little bit big, but that's fine. But what we do, a lot of us crafters, what we do recycle our bags from our packaging, and that's how we package our stuff in here, and we just put a bag topper on here, and we are done. Now, if you have the option to buy, and that's fine. If you want to buy your own bag toppers, and these I picked up at Amazon. These are about 200 let me see, 200 bags, cellophane bags, and this is the packaging for it. Okay, just want to go ahead and show you, and that's a 5x7. So if you want to buy your own bags, your own packaging, you could do that too. And this is another one, and this is a 3x5, and this is this size right here. I don't know if you could see it. I apologize. There you go. 3x5, and they have the self-adhesive right here. So basically that's all I wanted to show you guys, since I am actually working on some bag toppers. So it's up to you how you want to do them, but just a simple way. I am going to be decorating some of mine. This is just an example of another one that I've already decorated and packaged up, and I know this is not edged, but since it has a embellishment, sometimes if you don't put an edge on it, that's okay, because the embellishment speaks for itself. And here's another one that I made. So anyways, thank you guys for taking the time to watch, and we will see you guys on our next video. If you guys still want to join my challenge, I will be extending my date. I'm thinking of extending it to May the 17th. Hopefully you guys could join. Anyways, we'll see you guys on our next video. You guys have an awesome day. Bye.